Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. This will be a hopefully quick video, but because I make a lot of fire on my channel, I get the algorithms for YouTube decide, well, let's suggest to him a lot of fire making videos. Not that I already don't make enough fire making videos, but one thing is, and I got thinking about this the other day when I was driving to work, and it was fire making products have exploded all over the place. You know, they're all over YouTube, they're all over Etsy. Excuse me. And I don't have a problem with any of them, but I mean, let's call a spade a spade. I mean, we're looking at another variation on wax, jute, and cotton, and it's different packaging, different way of processing it. Well, we're doing it this way, we did it this way, we did it that way, and none of that is bad. But you know, I can get fire down to two things for $2. Cotton rounds that you can get at the dollar store and petroleum jelly. Now there are 80 rounds in this according to the package, so that's 80 fires, and I know that container, which I just chucked underneath the truck, will probably be enough, more than enough in there to make fire. So you might be thinking, well, you know, or about to comment, well, yeah, but I don't have to carry this entire 3.53 ounce container of petroleum jelly into the woods with me. Well, no problem. At the very same dollar store, at least for me, they had these little screw top cheapy plastic containers, and I did this for my dollar store fire kit. But you could just go get yourself a plastic knife or a plastic spoon and just dig some out of there and plop it in here, and then you have that much to carry. And you also have an extra one for like salt, pepper, spices, chilies, whatever you want to bring. So you're still at $3. So just a quick little option, you know. So yeah, just a quick option, because, you know, frankly, and let's be honest, you could spend $20 on another variation, like I said, of a product that's already available, jute or cotton, with either some kind of wax or accelerant. You go, okay, you spent $20, but you know, honestly, unless they give you free shipping, you know, shipping might cost you $8. Well, $8 is still far cheaper to go this route, which all I had to do is drive to the dollar store and buy these. So I mean, $1. So you could save a lot of money, and then you can get probably more fires out of this combo for $2 than you could for a $20 product. So just saying. Well, anyway, let me know what you think in the comments. Agree, disagree. I mean, it's probably a very no S Sherlock video, but you know, just throwing it out there for, you know, people who are just getting into fire making. It's like, and I didn't even touch on, I guess I could touch on, you know, then there's natural materials, like if you have access to birch bark, you can, you know, birch bark, cotton ball, or not cotton, cattails. When they start fluffing out, just go grab one off. Boom, cattail. You have, you know, people make feather sticks. There's natural materials, a bounty if you know what to look for. And you know, I mean, I've done dry grass. I've done, you know, if you can get some fatwood, maple bark. I got a whole bunch in the back of the truck here. It's cedar bark. If you've got different barks that burn, you can just go out and just try things. Say, hey, does this burn? Break it down, hit it with a ferro rod or a match or a lighter, see if it goes. You know, maybe you're on something, and then you can get fire going. So now, I mean, there could be the argument, well, if you have wax, though, it's going to be waterproof. But you know, maybe we'll try that sometime down the road. It's like, you know, cotton balls and Vaseline when it's wet. And maybe I might have to use two, but we'll see. So anyway, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. As I mess with